Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to use keyframes. Keyframes are an essential part of animation in Blender. So, if you want to apply it, you can move this up, this menu up, and select your object. Let's say you want to start the animation from here, okay? So you click I, that's the shortcut, and you have a bunch of options here. These options are used to set and change the properties. Let me explain. If you change the rotation and the scale of your object, but you only apply scale in the animation, it will only get bigger or smaller. So you usually want to apply these three: location, rotation, and scale, because it's a 3D environment and these are the essential magnitudes. So let's click that, and for example, in the third frame, let's say you want the cube to be from here, be this big, and be rotated like that. You would click I again, and location, rotation, and scale. So now we are back to photogram 0. You click the spacebar and you can see that it's moving. If you want this keyframe to be a bit sooner, you can move it and it would be faster, or maybe slower, and it moves slower. You can add more. Let's say that then from this point you want it to be here, be very small, and be rotated a lot. You would add another keyframe, and then you move this from here, for example, and let's see. And if you want to change the frame rate, you go here to this tab, click this button, and you select, for example, 60. And that would be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you out on your current or your future projects. Thank you, and see you in the next time.